Canada is rethinking its commitment to the US-built F-35 stealth fighter, exploring alternative options in response to shifting geopolitical dynamics and concerns over dependence on American military technology. Canadian Defence Minister Bill Blair announced on March 14, 2025, that discussions with rival aircraft manufacturers are underway, marking a significant shift in Canada's defence procurement strategy. This reconsideration stems from broader strategic concerns, particularly regarding the unpredictability of U.S. foreign policy under President Donald Trump's administration. For decades, Canada has relied heavily on its defense alliance with the United States. However, evolving global security challenges and concerns about technological sovereignty are prompting Canadian officials to explore alternatives to the F-35. The decision to reassess the $13.2 billion, 19 billion Canadian dollars, deal, finalized in 2023, underscores Canada's intent to secure a future fighter fleet that aligns with both national security interests and operational independence. Since 1982, the Royal Canadian Air Force (RCAF) has operated the CF-18 Hornet, a multi-role fighter that has served as the backbone of Canada's air defence. Initially acquired to replace the aging CF-100 Canuck fleet, the CF-18 has undergone multiple upgrades to extend its lifespan. However, with around 76 aircraft still in service, the fleet is reaching the end of its operational viability, necessitating a modern replacement. The F-35 was initially selected as the successor to the CF-18 as part of Canada's Defence Modernisation Initiative. Lockheed Martin secured the contract after surpassing competitors like Sweden's Saab and Boeing. The agreement involves acquiring 88 F-35s in multiple tranches, with legal commitments already made for the first 16 aircraft. However, concerns about the high costs, logistical dependencies on the U.S., and shifting political alliances have spurred interest in alternative fighter platforms. Canada's decision to reassess its fighter procurement options opens the door to several potential alternatives. Among the leading contenders are European and American-built aircraft that offer varying degrees of technological independence, operational flexibility, and cost-effectiveness. The Swedish-built Gripen E is frequently mentioned as a strong alternative to the F-35. Known for its cost efficiency and ease of maintenance, the Gripen E provides advanced avionics, multi-role capabilities, and the ability to operate from austere environments. Sweden's defense industry has a reputation for reliability, and a Gripen acquisition could strengthen Canada's relationships with NATO allies outside of the U.S. The French-built Dassault Rafale is another strong contender, boasting a track record of versatility in combat operations. Its ability to perform air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance missions makes it an appealing choice. France's long-standing defense partnerships with Canada could also facilitate a smoother procurement process. Developed by a European consortium involving the UK, Germany, Italy, and Spain, the Eurofighter Typhoon offers high-speed performance, superior maneuverability, and an advanced radar system. The Typhoon's interoperability with NATO forces would be a strategic advantage, and its proven capabilities in various military operations bolster its credibility as a viable alternative. As an upgraded version of Canada's existing CF-18 fleet, the Boeing F/A-18 Super Hornet presents an option that would ensure continuity in pilot training and maintenance operations. Already in service with several NATO allies, the Super Hornet is a combat-proven multi-role fighter that could be a more cost-effective choice compared to the F-35. A modernized version of the classic F-16, the F-16V Viper offers advanced radar systems, multi-role capabilities, and a lower cost than the F-35. Its widespread use among NATO allies makes it a familiar and combat-proven option that could meet Canada's defense requirements at a reduced financial burden. Beyond existing fighter models, Canada may consider developing its own Indigenous fighter program. While a domestically produced jet would require significant investment and time, it could provide long-term strategic advantages by reducing dependence on foreign suppliers. Additionally, Canada might explore next-generation fighter programs such as the UK-led Tempest initiative, which aims to develop an advanced stealth fighter with AI and autonomous capabilities. Canada's reconsideration of the F-35 underscores a broader shift in defense policy, prioritizing greater autonomy and flexibility in military procurement. With defense spending under increasing scrutiny, finding a balance between cost efficiency and operational capability remains a key challenge. Exploring alternative fighter jets could lead to a more sustainable financial model while ensuring that Canada maintains a modern and capable air force. Moreover, this move signals Canada's desire to diversify its defense partnerships. While the U.S. remains a critical ally, the uncertainty surrounding American foreign policy decisions has prompted a growing interest in fostering stronger ties with European defense manufacturers. By considering alternative fighter aircraft, Canada aims to future-proof its defense strategy against geopolitical volatility. Canada's decision to reassess its F-35 commitment highlights the nation's evolving defense priorities. While the F-35 remains a technologically advanced platform, concerns about cost, reliance on U.S. military infrastructure, and shifting geopolitical landscapes have fueled the search for alternatives. Whether opting for European fighter jets, upgraded American platforms, or a future Indigenous development, Canada is taking a proactive approach to securing its national defense capabilities. The coming years will be crucial in determining the future of Canada's Air Force and its strategic alliances in an increasingly uncertain world.